Welcome to CREATA classes. In this lecture, we will cover the summary of the quadrilaterals that we have done till now. Okay? This will help you connect all the fundamentals and the various types of quadrilaterals that we have done till now. Okay? This will also help you clear any of the doubt if you are having. Okay? So this lecture is very important. So let's begin with the lecture. We have started with quadrilaterals as polygons with 4 sides. Okay? All these are quadrilaterals. Then we have seen trapezium, a type of quadrilateral with a pair of opposite sides as parallel. Okay, only one pair of sides are parallel. Here these two sides are parallel. Okay, these all are the example of trapezium. All have a pair of opposite side as parallel. Then we have seen kite, a type of quadrilateral with adjacent sides as equal. Okay, these pair of adjacent sides are equal. All these are example of kites. Okay. Trapezium and kite are the basic type of quadrilateral. Then we have seen the most important quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. A type of quadrilateral with both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here both the pairs of the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So all these are example of parallelograms. Okay. Then we have seen opposite side of parallelogram are equal to each other. Basically, if you draw a quadrilateral with pair of opposite sides as parallel, the opposite sides will automatically become equal. Okay, try this on your notebook and cross check it. Okay, then we have seen the opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal and the adjacent angles are supplementary. Then we have discussed about diagonals of parallelogram. That is, the diagonals are bisector of each other. Okay, these are the properties of parallelogram. Then we have seen that rhombus, rectangle and squares are special type of parallelogram. Rhombus has all the sides as equal. Rectangle has all the angles as equal. And square has all the sides as well as angle as equal. Okay. All angles are equal means all angle are 90 degree because the sum of total angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree and 360 by 4 is equal to 90 degree. Further, all these three are parallelogram, so we can say all have diagonals as bisector of each other. That is the property of a parallelogram. In rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular bisector to each other. Okay, this is the additional feature. And rectangle has equal diagonals. And diagonals of square are equal as well as perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay. So this is a family chart of quadrilateral. Basically this trapezium and kite are the basic type of quadrilateral. Then comes the parallelogram, which has opposite sides as parallel. And the rhombus, rectangle and square are the special type of parallelogram. Okay. This is just a basic family chart of quadrilateral. In the various book, you will find a different family chart. Okay. Why? Because all these quadrilaterals are matching with each other. Like we can say square is a type of rectangle which has all the sides as equal. Or we can say the square is a rhombus which has all the angles as equal. Okay. Or we can say parallelogram is a type of trapezium which has the other sides also as parallel. Okay. So in the different books, you will find the different mixture of the family chart. So don't be confused, just stick with the fundamental. Okay. Okay students, we have done with the lecture, that is we have done with the summary. In the next lecture, we will take a small quiz round with you. Okay, that will be a small question round. Okay. For more information, visit our website creataclasses.com. Link is given in the description. Okay. If you want the lecture on any specific topic, please mention the same in the comment. Okay. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Bye for now.